Let's look at this case scenario. A 42-year-old woman with major depressive disorder has failed to respond to SSRIs and SNRIs. A psychiatrist plans to initiate Selegiline as an alternative therapy. Which of the following is the most appropriate route of administration for Selegiline in this patient? The options are A. Oral, B. Sublingual, C. Transdermal, D. Intravenous. Guess the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Transdermal route of administration of Selegiline for the management of major depressive disorder. Now let's see why. Do keep in mind that Selegiline is a MAO-B inhibitor used in Parkinson's disease when given orally. But at higher doses, Selegiline becomes non-selective MAO inhibitor. It inactivates both MAO-A and MAO-B and is therefore useful for treating major depressive disorder. So for the treatment of depression, inhibition of MAO-A and MAO-B enzyme is required. Now here is why Selegiline is given as a patch in depression and not as an oral pill. Oral Selegiline undergoes extensive first-pass metabolism in the liver, and this leads to the formation of amphetamine-like metabolites which increases adverse effects. Transdermal delivery bypasses liver initially, reducing these metabolites. Also, oral Selegiline at antidepressant doses inhibits gut MAO-A, increasing the tyramine absorption, and this can precipitate hypertensive crisis after tyramine-rich food. Transdermal Selegiline spares intestinal MAO-A, significantly lowering the risk of tyramine-induced hypertension. There is reduced risk of hypertensive crisis and systemic adverse effects with transdermal route. In terms of efficacy, depression requires MAO-A enzyme inhibition in the central nervous system. Transdermal route delivers sufficient drug concentration to the brain while minimizing peripheral MAO-A inhibition, which causes side effects. Oral route cannot safely achieve this without systemic MAO-A inhibition. Transdermal patches provide continuous steady drug release, more stable plasma levels of the drug, leading to better tolerability and adherence. So for the treatment of depression, Selegiline is used as a transdermal patch rather than an oral pill. What about sublingual route? It is not used for Selegiline. Can intravenous route be used for administration? There is no formulation of Selegiline for IV use. Therefore, Selegiline is used as a transdermal patch for the treatment of major depressive disorder.